Hi friends, today I have come up with a very good solution, a very good home remedy I can say for you people, and this is quite interesting. You won't be available with this kind of remedy or this kind of DIY video anywhere in the YouTube or IGTV. I can bet you on this because the product the organic product I would say. So the organic product I am available with today is not chia seeds only. Chia seeds तो आपने बहुत सुना होगा, but this is black chia seeds. So this is not easily available in all the grocery shops. You will be getting such ingredient, this kind of ingredient in only shops pertaining to such kind of stuffs only, where you will be getting all the dry fruit material, and you can say basically the typical Chandni Chowk market, or I can say Purani Delhi market. So this kind of secret ingredient or secret recipe I can say I got this secret ingredient from Tilak Nagar Market, Delhi, which is easily available. There is a market called Old Market, Old Tilak Nagar, where all the dry fruit market is there. So there I got easily available. Few of them call it tulsi seeds, but it is preferably known as black chia seeds. Black chia seeds. Now why I am covering today's home remedy and DIY, because this is the problem I am facing and most of us face of like bloating, that we are just swelled the next day just because of we have ate the fried food, or I can say anything outside food which is containing baking soda or ajinomoto. So such kind of ingredients, or such kind of food, or I can say junk food, or I can say food of outside leads to such things, which leads to bloating. Like today, in a day your weight will vary from 1 to 2 kgs. So this black chia seed is a miracle, of course, because I have tried and tested on myself. This was suggested to me long back, like 2 years back, by a very old lady who visited from Nainital to my place, and she suggested me to have this early morning empty stomach, and you will see some amazing results. So let's see. I'll tell you the procedure how you need to take it, so that you can just without using any kind of medicine, or without having overly intake of water, you can just try with this kind of home remedy, and you can see the drastic changes in yourself. Just wait and watch. So here we go. This is half tablespoon chia seeds. That is black chia seeds. I'm repeating again. So black chia seeds will help you in losing your weight, in losing those extra kilos which vary from day to day. For example, today one jeans is coming perfectly fine to you, but just because of you ate some kind of junk food or Chinese food or deeply fried food, and next day you are bloating like a big balloon. So this in long run will benefit you in amazing manners. So the half of the body's water retention will be normalized by just having this particular magical thing. Just see the color of this black chia seeds. It will not be easily available. Yes, you have to search more and more in the market for this, but I'm assuring you that you will easily be getting this particular ingredient in any of the old grocery shop, which is there from years and available with dry fruits material and all. So what I used to do, I take half tablespoon daily. I soak it in this particular bottle, just like this. Okay, so now I will fill bottle with the water. So this is just a half-liter bottle, I would say. So see, I am adding some water into it. So this you need to take empty stomach. Why I am saying empty stomach? because it will work only for empty stomach. In case you are thinking of losing weight, and if you are thinking of getting free from bloating thing, so you need to get it soaked overnight. And if, see, it has some very amazing benefit because it is full of with vitamin B12, vitamin A, vitamin C. It has secret qualities, and last of my video I'll be sharing with all the related benefits of this black chia seeds, apart from losing weight and removing your bloating thing. Because बहुत सा टाइम ऐसे होता होगा व्हेन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, और फ्यू पीपल जो आपको बहुत दिनों बाद देखते हैं वो कहते हैं आपका मुंह सूजा हुआ है या आप काफ़ी फूले फूले दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं, तो ये आपकी सारी फुलावट कम कर देगा. यू कैन सी हाउ इट इज चेंजिंग कलर. It's just like chia seeds, but again I'm repeating, it's not normal chia seeds, it's black chia seeds. Few of the people in market compare it with the tulsi seeds, but it is not tulsi seeds also, it is black chia seeds. So you can see how it is changing color. So if I'll be soaking it overnight, it will come up to this level. So in the morning you have to shake up the bottle like this, and you have to gulp it in one shot. You have to drink it at one shot. So you can see this is the perfect color. It's in water only. See how it is changing. It is getting fluffy and fluffy. So Caventers, we are doing advertisement for you as well. So I'm reusing Caventers bottle for this purpose. So soak it overnight, drink before brushing your teeth. Drink it empty stomach and before brushing your teeth. Please try it and see the amazing benefits. So I'm just closing down this, and in the morning I'll show you like from where it has reached, and you need to drink it. I'll be drinking it in the morning and I'll show you the video as well.
I've shaken the entire bottle. So this is what we soaked yesterday night, and अब ये पूरी तरह से fluffy हो गए हैं. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आप स्टार्टिंग में हाफ टेबल स्पून ही लें, अदरवाइज़ ये आपके लिए लेना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा, बिकॉज द क्वांटिटी दिखती है कि बहुत कम है, बट जब वो फूलती है तो इट टेक द स्पेस ऑफ द एंटायर बॉटल एटलीस्ट. सो लाइक मैंने इसको शेक किया है, अभी तक इतना ही बैठा हुआ था. द मोमेंट आई शेक द बॉटल, सो इट हैज़ राइजन अप टू दिस लेवल.
Morning, but remember, early morning, whenever you will wake up, that is the only time you can take it. But please make sure that you are taking it before brushing your teeth, so that you'll be having amazing benefits. You can see I have just waken up, and look at my skin, just because of these things which I'm doing these days. Look at my hair, look at the volume. So it will also help, this black chia seeds will also help for hair growth, and to increase your metabolism, and it consists of vitamin C also. It has calcium properties also. It will help you to increase your B12, because B12 and D3 are usually low in every second person. So if you take this, so it will help you in improving the overall immunity and strength and stamina also. So in the last of the video I'll be sharing with you all the related benefits. So I'm just having it as of now. Let me close the cap once again and shake it. So it's done. So you have to do in the same manner. So please share your feedback after. If you take all the organic things which can give you benefits in long run, that will be good for your health and your good medical family history also. Because if you will not be well, if this kind of deficiencies it will be in you, that will be carry forward in your family history. So you have to take care of yourself and keep experimenting with the organic things, but please ensure that all us and thus you measure before using any organic thing. You have to study a lot about that particular product or that particular ingredient and then only use. Don't experiment it just like that without having the knowledge of it. Okay, and sorry for the dogs barking in the last part of blogger life. Bye bye.